One of the reasons that I chose Henry Ford was the robust clinical experience. I enjoyed both emergency medicine and internal medicine, and as I was going through medical school, fell in love with critical care. And the amount of clinical time that you get at Henry Ford and the amount of time that you spend with critically ill patients across all disease processes is quite robust. I felt as though it was going to prepare me for when I become an attending, and as I near that part in my career, I feel very well prepared for that standpoint. We have a lot of supportive staff, both from the emergency side, the internal medicine side, and critical care side. I think that's what's different about Henry Ford, and especially the EMIM program, is that it's a very small group and you get to know each other very well. And a lot of the administration who have stayed from this program give you a lot of support and help guide your future career. I feel very fortunate from that aspect, and I've gotten a lot of guidance and preparation for my life as an attending going forward.
Hey guys, I'm Stephanie. I'm one of the current fifth-year EMIM Crit Care residents here at Henry Ford. And I just wanted to talk a little bit about why I chose Henry Ford. Any program you interview at in this country is going to give you a great education. But what made Henry Ford particularly special was not just the top star education that you get here with all of our world-renowned faculty and the great faculty support that you get, but really it's the people that you work with. From our co-residents who become family over the 6 years or 5 years if you decide not to do critical care, to all of the EM residents that you get to meet throughout the time here, from them to our faculty who will support you through any career aspirations that you have, to all of the nurses that you get to know and the techs, and most importantly our patients. Our patients give us a really unique opportunity not only to help them, but for them to teach us new things every day. You really can't ask for much more.
Hi, I'm Noreen Faro, and I'm part of the Emergency Medicine Internal Medicine program. One of the main reasons I chose Henry Ford's EMIM program was number one, because of its academic strength and patient diversity. One of the most important things coming out of medical school that was important to me was to make sure that I was a well-trained, adept physician, someone who could walk into any patient room and not be daunted by their complexity. And one of the more important things, being in a combined program, is to make sure that you have an academic strength in both emergency and in the internal medicine programs. And I found that Henry Ford had both. We have well-renowned teaching staff that are happy to teach their residents, and graduating residents from this program are always excelling throughout this country. The second thing that was very important to me was to have a supportive administration. Coming into any residency program, it's very important to have a program that listens to its residents and takes their concerns and feedback seriously. Our program leadership has always been very approachable. And since I have joined this program, we have already had multiple changes in our EMIM curriculum. And coming out of that, our individual EM and IM departments value their EMIM residents as well, and they are always listening to our feedback as well.
My name is Elizabeth Cunyman. I'm one of the current third-year residents in the EMIM program at Henry Ford Hospital. I was thrilled beyond words the day that I found out that I had matched here, and I haven't regretted it since. Both my co-residents that make me feel like I'm in a family that is looking out for me, encouraging me, and helping me grow, and the breadth of pathology have made this place the medical home and learning home that I cherish. I'm interested in critical care, and for me, both the emergency medicine and internal medicine experience at Henry Ford, as well as the opportunity to do a critical care fellowship as part of my training, have continued to shape my academic trajectory, and I'm more than excited for the 3 years I have left. I couldn't recommend any program more. We'll be delighted to have you with us here.